In this comprehensive and highly detailed tutorial, you will learn how to install porcelain tiles in difficult corners, with a professional level finish that meets the standards of experienced tilers. Corner areas are often the most challenging part of any tiling project. Whether you are working on floors or walls, because they require precise measurements, accurate cutting, perfect alignment, and careful handling to avoid gaps, uneven edges, or weak bonding. This video will guide you through every single step of the process in a clear and practical way so you can achieve clean, strong, and visually perfect results even in the most complicated corner spaces. We start by explaining how to properly prepare the surface before installation, including cleaning, leveling, and checking angles to ensure that the corners are ready for tile placement. You will also learn how to plan your layout in advance so that the tiles fit naturally into the corner without unnecessary small cuts that can affect the final appearance. Proper planning is one of the most important steps in achieving a professional finish, and this tutorial shows you how to do it correctly. Next, we move into measurement techniques, where you will see how to accurately mark tiles for corner cutting using simple tools such as rulers, measuring tapes, and tile markers. Special attention is given to how to handle uneven walls or slightly distorted angles, which are very common in real construction projects. You will also learn how to double-check your measurements before cutting to avoid wasting material and time. The cutting process is explained in detail, showing how to safely and precisely cut porcelain tiles using the right tools for straight cuts, angle cuts, and L-shaped corner cuts. This section focuses on achieving smooth edges that fit perfectly into tight corner spaces without leaving visible gaps. You will also understand how to refine edges when necessary to ensure a seamless connection between tiles. After cutting, the video demonstrates how to apply tile adhesive correctly in corner areas to ensure maximum strength and long-lasting durability. You will learn the proper thickness, spreading technique, and timing required to place tiles before the adhesive starts to set. This step is crucial for preventing future issues such as loosening or cracking in corner joints. Then, the installation process shows how to position and align tiles carefully in difficult corners while maintaining consistent spacing between each tile. You will see how to use spacers, levels, and manual adjustments to keep everything straight and balanced. Special tips are included to help you correct minor alignment issues before the adhesive fully dries. The tutorial also covers how to finish corner joints professionally, including grouting techniques that improve both the strength and appearance of the installation. You will learn how to fill gaps evenly, smooth the surface, and clean excess material without damaging the tiles. This ensures that the final result looks clean, modern, and perfectly finished. Finally, the video provides expert tips and common mistakes to avoid when working in corner areas, such as incorrect cutting angles, poor adhesive application, and misalignment issues. By following these professional methods, you will be able to handle even the most difficult corner installations with confidence and achieve high-quality results that look like professional workmanship in any